Hello everyone. Again, it's another time that we are here to unpack the goodness that nature provides to us. Thank you so much for tuning in. You're most welcome. We're so happy to have you. We want to get him his medicine. So here it is, our Cuban oregano. We're gonna pick some leaves. You can see how it is. Just even cutting the leaves, this aroma that is spreading in this place, it's amazing, out of this world. And we have a guest here. You see him? He's on top of the leaves. I think he's serving his lunch or dinner over there. So gonna pick. It's a very good herbs to grow in your place. You can see I've grown mine in a container and it's doing very well. Actually, I was just given as a cut by a friend and a mom to me, and now here it is. It has spread very fast. So just get a stem and get it planted in a container, and you'll have enough for your family, for coughs, for a remedy for coughs, for cold, and a lot of other benefits. So we're good. We're gonna take this and go and make some what? Medicine. Some medicine for. Make sure you remove all the dust. The back of the oregano can hold a lot of dust and small particles. So make sure you remove every part of it. This herb is a very incredible herb, also known as Spanish thyme, or you can call it also Mexican mint. It's known by those two names. It's kind of from meat family, I'd say. Looks so familiar. There is a plant from my home. Okay, it's a plant that I knew growing up. It's called, in my dialect, it's called Goya. People used it for making the bananas to ripen. No, this is a different one, although it's like they are from the same family. So here are the ingredients. We have our mint, we have oregano, we have lemon juice, and also our organic honey. So you can decide to reduce this by slicing it into smaller pieces, but also it can still go, you can crush it still whole. It's more of a succulent, so it's full of fluids inside, so it's easy to crush it, and the juice come out so easily, very easily. So after crushing, I use a piece of cloth to squeeze out the juice, and here it's our juice, oregano juice, and we add our natural honey. You can notice my honey even have some particles. That is from bees. It shows it's a very natural one. And we add the like 1 or 2 teaspoon of lemon juice. You stir it, and our remedy, it's ready, and we're here to treat our patient. It's a very effective for colds, especially for kids. I've been using this herb, and I can tell you, I can vouch for it. Very effective. So you can spare that for then maybe in the evening again too, you give it. So it's an incredible herb, as I said. And here I have some uses for cooking. You can use it as for meals and also for medicinal uses. For meals, you can add it. Usually add that minty flavor on dishes, but the flavor itself is so intense, so you have to be very intense, and sometimes it usually overpower the flavor of meals, so the meal taste. So be careful using it on most of the meals. That's why it's mostly used for mutton and fish curries. You know, those two meat, they're somehow smelly. They have a very strong smell. So that one, oregano goes very well with that. So be very keen on what kind of a dish you are using on it because of its very intense flavor. So another one is antibacterial. It's a very good antibacterial. That's why it's even good. That's why even treating cough, it's very effective in anti-inflammatory. Wow. Yeah, that one is also good for sore throats, and also it detoxify very well. It's removing and cleansing out all the toxin in your body, and it soothes also your digestion. And again, number 5, it's also a very good antifungal. It was shown to even inhibit and cure like toenail fungus. That is from a study that was done. So it's a good herb to have, and it's also it's a pot herb, so you can plant it on a pot. Actually, it's the best because if you put it on the ground, it's very invasive in nature. It will spread all over the place. So take a look for a stem and plant it, and you'll enjoy all these benefits. If you're in Kenya, especially Mombasa, look for me, and I may bless you with the stem. 2 or 3 people, just look for me, find a way. I'll share these blessings with you. Thank God for providing all this for us. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for watching. Be blessed, and let us see you in our next video. And if you are not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you.